Hey guys, Kyle with Lone Peak here. We just got back from an epic 3,000-mile road trip across the western states. Got some news about our launch date. We are bumping it to November 22nd at 8 a.m. I got back yesterday, spent some time with my wife and 3 kids, and there's no way that I'm gonna be able to get everything I need to get done for the launch tomorrow. So I apologize to those of you guys that took off work to kind of celebrate and make sure you got your spot in line. Forgive me. But now we have a firm date and a firm time that you guys can plan around. So when we open up reservations, they are full price, fully refundable. We'll have a bunch of different options available on the site that you can add. At this moment, we're prioritizing the ones that you won't be able to add at a future date. So the ones that are actually milled into the panels. So the cab sliding window, the roof vent option, some of the venting options if you're using a diesel or propane heater. We'll have a lot of options available that will come out in between now and when your order actually ships. So don't worry, you can always add those at a later date if you don't get them on launch day. During the checkout process, you will see 3 different shipping and installation options. The first is where you're gonna come out here to Wenatchee, Washington. We'll give you a trail map of all the cool lookouts in the area, have a beer with us, get your camper installed on your rig. All that's free and will be fun to see you and you get to meet the team. Second is that you get to choose from a certified installer. So part of our road trip was going around to a bunch of different overlanding shops, building relationships with them, and trying to build a network of installers. So if you don't want to install it yourself, or if you just don't have the space or driveway to have it delivered, you can have it shipped there, and they will help you get it on your truck professionally. And the third option is that we can ship directly to you. So how this will go, the camper itself weighs a little over 300 pounds. So if we drop it off with a flatbed truck in your driveway, you'll have to take off the roof, take out the bed and the bed panel, get it slightly under 200 pounds, get a couple guys come over, or some strong CrossFit chicks, and put it on your bed of your truck, and then reassemble the bed, the roof, put the tent in. So still take a couple hours. We are moving away from the flat pack model. When we did a bunch of logistics work and looked at the shipping cost was actually close to the same in the different configurations, doing fully assembled versus flat pack. And then the actual cost for all of the packaging involved was more than us just assembling it. So no longer doing flat pack, you will receive a fully assembled camper if you get it shipped to your house. As of now, we're looking at doing our first installs and shipments in early June. So between now and then, we're gonna create an order queue page. It'll basically just have your order number on there. So it's completely anonymous, but it'll let you know where you're at in the queue and when your install or delivery date is coming up so that we can reach out probably about a month before, finalize all of your options and schedule a date for you to either come in to our facility or to get that shipped. All right, so there's a lot of time between November and June. You might be asking, what is the whole process of from you have one prototype right now on your truck to getting me a camper on my truck? So follow along on social media. I want you to come on this journey with us so you can see what it's like. My next milestone I'm charging towards is design lock. The prototype held up extremely well on the trip, even after having to send it a couple times in Moab. Honestly, I'm shocked it's still on there, and I'm shocked it's in one piece. The thing held up super well. Even with that, I'm making a ton of changes to optimize production and optimize the installation from accessories from the customer side to make it easier. So hopefully early December, I will get the design lock. A lot of work to be done between now and then, but follow along. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you next time.